In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Blue Light Card in Tesco and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Tesco offers the Club Card, which gives you many discounts, many vouchers, and various different promotions that you can manage through their own application. Now, you might be curious if it is possible for you to use your Blue Light Card instead of the standard Club Card from Tesco. First, if you try to do this through the latest version of the Tesco mobile app, so you go over to the App Store or the Play Store and you download Tesco Grocery and Club Card, even though you have plenty of options to manage your Tesco Club Card when you go over to this page, even if you browse through all of the options, you try to browse through all of the menus here, you won't be able to find anything related to Blue Light. Even when you proceed to checkout, you try signing into a different account or browsing through the menu at the left side of the screen. So as it stands today, is there any way to directly use your Blue Light Card for discounts in Tesco stores? Well, as of today, unfortunately, it is completely impossible to directly use your Blue Light Card for discounts at Tesco stores. As it stands today, you will have to use your Club Card directly on Tesco if you want to get the best vouchers and discounts possible. You can use your Blue Light Card for various different purposes, however, you cannot use it on Tesco directly. They are not compatible and there is no known workaround to get them to work together. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using the Blue Light Card and how if you want to get the best discounts possible on Tesco, you have to use their own card, the Club Card. Only this card, managed through their own application, will allow you to get points that can be turned into vouchers for extra discounts and other promotions. The Blue Light Card cannot be used in any way, shape, or form in Tesco stores. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Blue Light Card in Tesco, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.